What's up, guys? So today we are going to pick up my project car. And project car, you ask? Yes, I have a project car. I've had this car for probably a year and a half to 2 years, and it's actually almost complete. But
I thought you were about to shift it as if it was a manual. He was grabbing the knob as if he was going to shift it.
No, but once we pick it up, I'll walk through more of what's going on and why we're picking it up and all that stuff. It's not 100% done, but it is pretty close. We have to do a few things on our end, though, to get it done. So right now we're headed to go pick up a trailer so we can go to the shop where it is at and pick it up. So stay tuned, guys. Yeah.
Why'd you say it was a Miata, Rob?
Because they charge you more if you, like, so when they ask you, when U-Haul asks you about, like, what car you're towing and what car is going to be on the trailer, say a Miata. Because they charge you more if it's not a Miata.
I was like,
say a Miata. So my Evo was a Miata. This car that we're picking up now, which is not a Miata, is a Miata.
I got the clip of you going 98 Miata. I was like, what? I was like, what's going on?
Yeah, I said the actual year of the car is because the car that I have is an 89, so.
Backwards 98 Miata. We need to get like a building like that. Look at that thing. Can you imagine if we had that entire facility for ourselves? One bay door, we can just store project car on project car on project car right there.
Yes.
That would be amazing. Call it section C or whatever. Hopefully one day, guys, just make sure you subscribe, slam that like button, and watch your stuff, please.
Yeah, let's talk about this for a second. Okay, for the giveaway that we're doing, which is my Evo, y'all have to post. You can't just subscribe and hopefully we'll get to 125,000 subscribers by you just subscribing and not sharing. It requires y'all sharing, so go share. We have a picture up on the Instagram. The link will be in the description below. Go share so we can get this giveaway to one of y'all.
We do want to give this car away. We do.
We actually do, because yeah, we like giving back to people, so let's make it happen.
Slowly just crawling behind the man himself. You good?
A little bit more.
I lied.
It's falling right.
At least there's one in the arsenal. That works.
All right.
Dude, are you kidding me? Give me. I want now.
There's some repinning going on to get the car to run.
I can't hear myself talk. It's that loud. I genuinely cannot hear myself talk. And it's so loud and obnoxious. Like, this puts straight pipe to a whole new meaning, because it is literally a straight pipe.
Yeah, it's 3 inches all the way back from the turbo. So.
Jeez, man. Rob's setting up the trailer right now. Gotta basically extend these things right here. So when the wheel rides over it, it's good. There we go. Beautiful. You can hear all of it.
So loud. Oh, like I thought the Mustang was loud, but this is just obnoxious.
I don't even think they can hear you at this point. The mic is probably peaking from here.
Yeah. Literally the first time I'm seeing it move under its own power right now, so I'm quite happy.
Hey, it moves though, which is awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells healthy. It smells real.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Jeez, look at her shimmer.
if you rest your foot on the gas pedal.
Oh no.
I'm dead ass serious.
Oh, I know you're serious.
Just
It scares me.
rest your foot on the gas pedal, it starts up immediately.
Okay.
I had to feed my hand through the actual wheel itself and
Yeah.
like wrap around. He's on some sort of X game mode. Look at him go.
All right, guys. So, yes, my project is a 1989 Mazda RX-7. SC body style. It is a big single turbo. Still has the rotary in it. As you heard, it is brutally loud. It is 3-inch straight pipe exhaust from the turbo back. So why are we picking it up now? No, the car is not finished. We are picking it up because it's about 99% done, honestly. The last thing that we need to figure out before tuning is one of the sensors is reading incorrectly. So it's reading the map sensor is reading throttle position. So pretty much whenever you get it throttle, it's reading, you know, pounds of boost, and therefore it's just dumping fuel when it's not going anywhere. Fouling out the spark plugs, and well, I mean, it's not drivable like that. So we got to figure that out. I was gonna leave it in the hands of the guy over at DBW Motorsports. His name is Brandon. Yeah, the car's been there for probably close to 10 months to a year, and Brandon's awesome. If you ever need any work done on any Nissan, Supra, Skylines, Subarus, whatever, go hit him up. DBW Motorsports, tell him Robbie sent you, he knows me. So yeah, we have to figure out why the map is reading throttle position, and once we figure that out, we can take it back to them, take it back to Doug, and have him tune in the car, and then we should be good. I mean, it should be pretty close to 400 wheel horsepower. Yeah, in a car that weighs 2,500 pounds, it's going to be kind of insane. So stay tuned, guys. We have a lot more videos coming up on this now that we have it back. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. And yeah, y'all see the unloading video, so I will not end it here.
All right, Rob, give her a rip. Rest your foot.
I don't know how much is like how much. Too much?
No, just rest it. He said literally just rest it. Like just enough to be able to like. Battery's dead.
Rip.
Well, I guess we're pushing it.
Looks like we're pushing, boys.
Yeah, it's dead. Do you have a charger or anything?
Oh, not on me.
Okay, well. We could try to jump it with the Evo. If you want to try that.
Sure.
So, RX-7 battery is dead. Now, Rob is going to try to jump it. If I can slowly turn this gimbal around. He's going to try to jump it with the Evo. And I don't know if you guys know this, but Evo batteries sit in the back apparently. Rob told me. So we're going to try jumping it now.
I don't think this is going to work.
You don't? I think it might. It just needs a constant charge.
Yeah. It might. Connect first.
Is it connected? Did you connect the ground over there?
Not over there yet.
Oh, fans are running on high power. Oh!
Resist the urge, Robbie.
Yeah, resist the urge. Don't feather it.
I'm like nervous and excited all at the same time.
Come on, you got this one. High five. Well,
Nailed it.
all right, you guys got this. I'll just stand back and look pretty, all right?
That camera.
It's in the garage.
The garage now.
It's in the garage.
Film my beauty. Let's go.
All right, ready? Cinematic in 3, 2, 1.
All right, guys, so that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. This is my project, 89 FC, big turbo. It's actually a turbo 2. Yeah, it's literally 99% done. We just have to figure out this one wiring issue and then we're off to the dyno. So definitely stay tuned. We're gonna be tackling this probably in about a week and a half or so. So y'all will see it shortly after. Yeah, guys, thank you so much and we'll see y'all later. You'll stay original out there.